This is 2014 question number 25. Before we move on, remember to have gone through the learning video first. As taught in the learning video, you need to fill in this table. So the first step, you need to consider the straight line one by one. First, we find out the slope of the equation L1. We make y the subject, and we know that negative a over b is the slope. From the diagram, the inclination tells you that the slope is greater than 0. But this expression involves both a and b, therefore we cannot deduce a and b easily, so we can ignore this expression. And then we consider the y-intercept. We put x by 0, and we can find that the y-intercept equals 1 over b. From the diagram, it is greater than 0, and so we can deduce b is greater than 0. For the x-intercept, we put y by 0 and find that x equals to 1 over a. The x-intercept is on the left-hand side of the diagram, so it is smaller than 0, and so we know a is smaller than 0. We then do something similar to L2. You may pause the video to try by yourself. So for the slope, it is negative c over d, and it is smaller than 0. Once again, we can ignore this expression. For the y-intercept, it is 1 over d, and so we know 1 over d is greater than 0, and so d is greater than 0. For the x-intercept, it is 1 over c, and so it is greater than 0. Therefore, c is greater than 0. Now we just need to check if option 3 is correct. Since it involves both b and d, we can see that from the y-intercept, both involves b and d only. Therefore, we try to compare the y-intercept. On the diagram, they intersect at the same point. Therefore, the y-intercepts are the same. y1 equals y2. We copy the y-intercept. 1 over b equals 1 over d. Therefore, we know that d equals to b. That's it for this past paper. Hope you like it.